In this video, I am going to show you how to permanently delete your TEMU account. Whether you're decluttering for digital life or simply moving on from TEMU, we've got you covered with a straightforward guide on how to close your TEMU account. Step 1. Start by navigating on TEMU.com. You're on your preferred browser. Once there, log into your account by entering your credentials and look for User Avatar. Step 2. In the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Account Security. This will take you to a page dedicated to your account security settings. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete your TEMU account. It's usually at the bottom of the page. Clicking on this will initiate the deletion process. After you request account deletion, TEMU will automatically log you out your account then and enter a day 7 period before it's permanently removed. If you have second thoughts during this time, simply log back to cancel the deletion request. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.